Hi, hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, today I'm going to tell you about types of averages. Types of averages. This is also called as measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency. Okay, so types of averages are measures of central tendency. In this, we are having, that means the average is classified into three types. Okay, so averages are classified into three types. First one, mathematical averages. Second one, positional averages. And the third one is commercial averages. Commercial averages. So these are the three types of averages. First one is mathematical average, positional average, commercial average. So now we'll discuss about mathematical averages. Okay. So mathematical averages. So mathematical averages are first one, arithmetic mean. This is also called as AM. Arithmetic mean. Second one, okay, that means B. Geometric mean, GM. It is also called as GM. Geometric mean. Third one, harmonic mean, HM. Nothing but HM. We call it as HM. Harmonic mean. Next, fourth one, quadratic mean. Quadratic mean. This is also called as QM. Okay. So these are the four types of mathematical averages. Okay. So next we'll discuss about positional averages. Okay. So positional averages. Positional averages. So positional averages are first one, median. Next, quartile. Next, octiles. Next, decile. Next, percentile. Next one, quintile. And the last one is mode. So these are the positional averages. Okay. So, and in this, nothing but this median is, that means in this one important point is nothing but median. We can express median. We can express in terms of quartile, octile, decile, percentiles, percentiles, but not in quintiles. Okay, that means median can be expressed in quartiles, octiles, deciles, percentiles, but not in quintiles. Okay now, so and the next one is commercial averages. So commercial averages are of different types. They are, first one, moving averages, and next B is nothing but quadratic averages, and next progressive averages. So these are the different types in commercial averages. Okay, so these are the types of averages. It is also called as measures of central tendency. So in averages we are having mathematical averages, positional averages, commercial averages. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss about mathematical averages. Okay now, so I am going to tell you the important points which is used for your MSc statistics entrance. Okay na, so according to the different universities, what are the points are useful. Okay, all those points I'm going to discuss in these videos, coming videos. Okay, so in the next class we'll discuss about what is arithmetic mean. Okay, now what are the formulas, what are the methods used in arithmetic mean. Okay, yeah, thank you, have a nice day.